morning and welcome to beautiful Beijing. Sun is shining and I'm out walking. And some people ask, how can you always be so positive? I think one very easy step is just to get outside, get some sunshine. So I'm out here exploring a bit, checking the background, like to go for a walk, listen to some podcasts and get some motivation, because that's also another question. How do you stay motivated? I think it's very important to have goals to look forward to and work towards, but also to just get some inspiration walking around, looking at what's going on around you, exploring a little bit. So just wanted to share some other tips here, how I stay motivated, reach my goals, and also get in some great cardio, because going out walking is fantastic for you. Yeah, so it's afternoon now, but on the topic of being outside, right now I'm next to the skating area here in Beihai Park, downtown Beijing. Really beautiful, a lot of people outside exploring. I think it's a great way to get in some good steps. As mentioned before, I just cooked some healthy food because I think nutrition is very important to get energy, actually feel great. So I cooked some chicken with some Thai red rice and a bit of a curry. And tonight I'm gonna have some steak and air fried potatoes, perhaps cook a little bit, get some good protein in it. But I'm gonna continue walking around here, show a bit in the background and see what's around the corner. There's a lot of tasty snacks here in the background. You can find all the local sweets, sugar-coated candy. But the good thing is, if you're eating proper food, which I did for lunch, you stay full. You don't get tempted to indulge in crazy snacks and healthy stuff. Fun to try, but if you're always giving in to cravings, that's not so great if you want to reach your goals. I think that's a tip. If you want to kind of stay full and have stronger willpower, I think eat great healthy food. Then you can also try things to explore, but not all the time. I think sometimes you get stuck in your own ways, just going for the same thing every week, going same distance, walking to work, exploring on the weekend, hang out with the same people. But it's fun to challenge yourself a little bit, to go to new places. Today I'm in the park, as I mentioned here, Beihai Park, walking around trying to find some new places, get some new impressions, good inspiration, also getting some good steps, of course, and enjoying a lot of the great views in the background and nature. It's very cold now, but in summer it's going to be super nice. So I think just being out in the nature, especially if it's sunny, which it rarely is in Sweden, unfortunately, but in China it's better. It's a fantastic way to see some new things, stimulate your mind, hopefully come back refreshed, and also build up the appetite for the next meal. So definitely something I prefer doing and how I like to spend my weekends. If you're not a walker, maybe it doesn't sound so fun, but once again you can listen to podcasts, just take in the view. So highly recommend it, especially when the sun is out. It's really nice. It's soon Chinese New Year, so you can see all these red lanterns in the background. I think it's really nice way to combine the red colors of the Chinese flag and a lot of screaming in the background with traditional dressing up the buildings and decorating here. It always changes. Sometimes it's lanterns, sometimes it's something else. A lot of dragons, perhaps. It's going to be Year of the Dragon coming up here next, so we'll see. Hope that has some good luck in store. I'm just going to continue walking here a little bit. Yes, I think it's time to leave the crowds here. It was a little bit too noisy in the background. I'm out here walking the street, gonna go and bike home again. But I think just important to remind yourself sometimes of what you have. Can't take everything for granted. Just being able to think about, of course, the future and your goals. You should be very happy for and really appreciate. One of my favorite theories of all time is Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Basically, in the bottom you have physical needs like food and shelter and safety. Then you have more like social needs, and on top, of course, is self-actualization. Of course, what I'm talking about, kind of getting in shape and getting stronger and so on. It's great. That was really fun. I had a personal record in the gym this morning, but sometimes you're just going to pause and be like, wow, I should be happy that I can actually think even of exercising. It's not really a physical need. Enjoy the process. It's not a punishment to exercise or eat healthy. It's really good for you and you should really appreciate it. So with those words, I'm going to leave you guys here. Let me know how you think about staying motivated and being on track. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, me exploring Beijing in the background, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.